Hey traders, this is Okana here and I'm back with a great strategy. This is very popular on binaryoptions.sock.com. It's called Getsuga Tensho, which is a Japanese expression for piercer of the sky or sky piercer. It comes from an anime series. If you don't know Bleach, which is the series which this expression comes from, it's still okay. You can still use it. Even though you don't like bloody sword fights. So no problem. This strategy uses 4 indicators. I'm going to explain how to use them, but first read this article. I'll put it down below in the description, and as well as a link to a MACD, custom-made MACD that you can download in case the files below the article do not work. If these don't work for you, there is this other link. And also, if you don't know how to install indicators, just go to our YouTube channel, main channel, and search for MetaTrader. I have explained exactly how to add custom indicators and set up your charts before, so check that out. And we can move on. Once you have set up your indicators, just remember this stochastic is 15, 9, 6, and the levels are 30 and 70. And the MACD 100, fast EMA 150 and 90. So again, these are explained in the article, so check them out. I have set a 0 level here also. And this is how it works. So for example, if we want to take a call option, we want to look at this moving average like indicator, this red and blue line. So in this case, it's blue. It means price is trending upwards, and you can see this because the candlesticks are above this blue line. And what we want to do once something like this happens is to wait for price to retrace down, which is indicated by these red bars. Now we know price is coming down, and we want to enter at the low on this upgoing trend. So price moving down, so we wait for stochastic to become oversold, which happened in this area here. You can see this here. Wait for a retracement to be over, and you can see that it starts to happen here because on this candle here, price starts to move back up above the blue line, and you see the stochastic, the green one, is going up. And also the MACD is now green and above the 0. So it was red before. You don't want to get in when it's red. You want to wait for it to have a green color. So it's green, and the candlestick is green, and the moving average is blue, and the bars, you want them to be blue as well. So on this one, it was still red. You can see that. So once this candle closed, and this candle closed, after this candle closed, you got your signal. After this candle, stochastic was moving up. The green line is moving up. That's good. Sorry, the red line is moving up. The green line. And you have the blue bars now. The moving average is blue, and MACD is green and above 0. So that's your first signal for entering a call option. So how long the expiry should be, you should look at other lows and see how long it took the last time stochastic was moving up, and the last time price was in a retracement and moving up. And you can see that. So if you count the candles, so in this case we got in a little bit late. It was a special case because already 4 candles were moving up, and also if you can look to the left, you see there is a resistance in this area. So it was a little bit dangerous to get in, but again, it depends on your expiry. So a 15-minute trade would have worked here. So take a look at examples for put options instead. If we go and take a look at this area here, you see that the moving average is now red instead. So the price is below and it's trending down. The bars are red. That's good. So in this case, we are getting our signal when stochastic is overbought and the red line is moving down here. So we would check. Here's what I do just to show you, illustrate. The red line, check. The red bar after this candle closed was confirmed, so check. Basically this, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a red bar inside that candle. So I should put it here. So after this candle closed, it was checked. And again, stochastic here is moving down. So the red line is moving down the green line. So overbought position also checked. And finally, you can also see the MACD is below the zero line. Look to the right here, it's 0 and it's a red bar, not a green. It was green before, but now it's red. So after this candle, we had a red candle, red bar confirmed. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 confirmations. So this candle is now our entry. And how much for the expiry? Again, use previous data. For example, this is what I do usually. I just put a line approximately based on previous bounces when price was starting to drop down. And you don't even need the line because you can see the price is bouncing off of the bars here. So if you would look here, the first one after the bounce, after the first red candle, because remember we are entering after this red candle here. So basically after a couple of candles. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, about 30 minutes seems good. What about the next bounce here? Again, here you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, around half an hour. So how about this time? We already lost 2 candles here because we entered here. So withdraw that from the 30. So about 20 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes would have closed down here. So use the previous data to calculate approximately. And if the drop is too big, be careful not to enter. Or also, if you're more advanced trader, set up your targets if price is falling so that you know approximately where is it going. Am I entering at the bounce? Where is the resistance that price is heading towards? So like in this case, if you would just to illustrate for you. And there, so went to another time frame just to show you that in this case, when price started to drop, if you would go to another time frame. Remember, we are using only the 5-minute time frame for the signals, but when you set up your targets before entering, it could be a good idea to look at another time frame just to see where is it dropping. So this was the trade here on this candle, so just you wouldn't happen to enter here, because if you look to the left you can see this was a support here based on the big movement and the bounces here, and you can see the resistance before that now is support. So you wouldn't enter too late. So use that knowledge in your favor. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy this strategy. Thanks for watching.